Sanjeevanites, those who see this video, I make a sincere appeal to all of you to register for the Sanjeevan Centennial Challenge. Sanjeevan Centennial Challenge is something which you must register to show your solidarity with the school. If you are from Sanjeevan and if you are a proud member of Sanjeevan, show that you are proud of your school by making this program successful. Your school has launched an event as a celebration of its centenary, and it is your duty. Don't consider it as anything else. First of all, it would have been assumed that with love everybody will register. And what is the cost? 911 rupees you have to pay. In this period, in this time, it is not a big money, and you have to make this program successful. Otherwise, you will not really be doing justice to calling yourself as a Sanjeevanite, the school which has given us so many sweet moments in our lives, the school which has molded our lives, the school because of which you are earning lakhs and lakhs of rupees today. If you shy away from registering for a small event of 911 rupees, I would not be able to describe in any word.
I'm sorry.
Please register yourself with this appeal now. I think Deepak Saraf wants to say something. I'll give him a minute and then we will move on to Anagha. Okay, Deepak, you say whatever you want to say.
Before we start, let me tell you, today Anagha is looking very beautiful. Do you agree?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Very correct.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, now click on that, hover it on that, and on the right side of the Zoom name, and click on rename. Okay, right click करी, उन्हें नाले जगह था, rename अच्छा
No. Okay, hi.
now rename में you put your plus.
Okay. Sugar.
तो काहीतरी बोलतो.
Yes. So Anagha, Kalpana.
Yes.
I can't call her Anagha. I'm trying to call her Anagha. Okay, Kalpana. आता कल्पनाला आपण हँडओव्हर करूया. मीटिंग मध्येच संपेल. मीटिंग संपली तर परत चालू करायचं. I will restart the meeting with the same link and everybody please rejoin. And as you all know, Kalpana is the daughter of Chaubar sir, and she has her own identity in Pune. And like her father, she has kept up the steps with her father, and she is also a Reiki master, grandmaster. So I pass it on to Kalpana to share her life story with all Sanjeevanites. Please mute your mics now, and if you wish, you may even switch off the videos. Over to you, Kalpana.
Thank you, Deepak. First of all, thank you everyone for being here. And I hope you will not get bored by my talk. But anyways, thank you, Rajesh, Sushil, Alka, Deepak, Mr. Mohan, and Shukla sir, Vasant, Abhijat, Asha, Digambar, Balkrishna, all of you, those who are present, I'm very thankful to you all. And a very happy new year to you all. Have a great year ahead. And how I joined Sanjeevan now. First, I have mentioned in my brief that my father joined Sanjeevan in 1959. That's how we were brought into Sanjeevan. And my schooling started in 1965. And of course, that was from 1st to the 10th standard and then 11th. 10th was our first batch of new 10th SSC in 1970. So we had two batches. One was 11th and one was 10th. My brother was in the 11th, 1975. I was in the 10th of 1975 batch. So that is how we entered into the Sanjeevan school. And many memories of Sanjeevan are there with us. So many students around, so many people around, so many new teachers were there. And of course, we enjoyed the stay in school for so many years. I think almost from 1959 to 1983, we were in the school. So that's how it was. And especially what best I liked in the school was, of course, the Sanjeevan sports, the activities, and the opportunities that were given to children to learn new hobbies like cane work, painting, batik art, music, dance. All these were very special to us because this was not there in all the schools, in the boarding schools of all the Panchgani schools. I loved dancing. I love music. I was very fond of sports, of course, and it was the best part of my life. And we used to have that one more best thing was of Shramajivi Day. We used to have that Shramajivi Day wherein we used to get a chance to serve the Shramajivis. And on that day, they were the ones who used to get all the attention, and we used to serve them the food we used to prepare. That was a very nice activity that the school had put up. Of course, we were not as the boarders, but we used to stay in the school premises. So most of the routine was followed as per the boarders in the school, except for the study time, food time, and the sleeping time. Otherwise, the routine for the whole day was followed as similar to the boarding students. One thing that I learned in Sanjeevan was the art of sportsman spirit. Why sportsman spirit? Because you learn how to face challenges, you learn how to face failures, you learn how to accept success. All these things are in that sportsman spirit. Why I say sportsman spirit? Because you get to learn so many things. Accepting your failure is the biggest thing when you are so small. So that is why sportsman spirit was one thing that I learned in the school. And of course, I liked the library. The library was also one of the best parts of our school. And my favorite teachers of the library, Chimutai teacher and Jankitai teacher. Whenever it would be a holiday in Sanjeevan for Diwali or the summer vacations, I would love to go to help Jankitai and help her in arranging the books, writing the new cards. That was just because she would allow me to take 2 books home during the holidays for reading. And that is how I developed a reading habit, and that still continues. I am an avid reader, maybe fiction, non-fiction, but I love reading. And then after 11th, we had, like all of us, my brother and my sisters, Rekha, Ranjana, Chetana, Vivek, we all studied in Y College. We completed our graduation from Y College. And later on, we were still in Panchgani. When I completed my graduation, after that, we used to like be a part in the school still, where my father worked. After retirement, we left the school, say around 1983. We left the school premises, but we were still in Panchgani as my eldest sister was in Panchgani. She had a house there. So we all were there in Panchgani. Then my father had joined the school of Patangrao Kadam, which was somewhere near Tableland as a principal. We were there. After that, he had joined a place called Shahada, and where he had joined as a director of one of the schools started by Mr. M.K. Patil, where there also I had joined him. Later on, we came back to Panchgani, and in 1984, we moved to Pune. Pune, 1984, immediately when I shifted to Pune, my sister Ranjana used to stay there. So we were staying with her for some time. And then that was where I got my first job in Godrej as a marketing executive. I started my job as a marketing executive for Godrej electronic typewriters. Typewriters was the first thing that was introduced in that, at that time. And it was so fascinating for me. I learned that it was very fascinating because I knew typing, but this electronic typewriter, how you had to type the letters, and it was like automatically no shifting the bar, nothing. That was so fascinating. I worked there as a marketing executive for almost 1.5 years. Later on, I joined Compaq Computers. That was earlier known as Digital Equipment, which also dealt in the computers. and later on it was taken over by Compaq. I worked there. Initially, I worked there in the finance department, and later on I joined the sales team of the marketing department. And I was doing the back office for them. And later on, I joined, before that, in 1984, I got married to Jayant, who was working in Seat Tires then. And then we continued a new journey. And 1989, I had my first baby, was a girl who is Anisha. She is now in Auckland. She is done her food chemistry and microbiology, but currently now she is working as a business analyst manager in one of the companies in Auckland. And of course, my journey for work continued in corporate sector. Later on, it was Otis Elevators Software Division, where I worked in as a HR admin manager, and continued working there till 2012, of course. And in between this period, during the working session, my husband, I would like to thank first, because he was the one who learned Reiki at that time, and through him I got introduced to Reiki, and that is how it continued in our family, that I learned, and I did my certificate courses one by one, first, second, third, and fourth. And then the third and fourth sectors of my courses I taught to my father also. That is how we, all the family members, became the Reiki channels for this. And that was really a very interesting part of my life, because really it was something wonderful that I found, that with just your hands for use and healing, giving healing to the people, was really a wonderful thought. And it really helped people whom I worked for, I gave healing to. And it still continues. I used to visit hospitals also for several people's requirements. They used to call me there also. And I still take classes for Reiki. I teach them, I give healing. I also take classes for meditation, and I do counseling and DMIT course also. That's how my Reiki journey continues. N number of experiences for Reiki. One of the best was when I was asked for healing for a person who had met with an accident, not in Pune, it was outside Pune, somewhere in Solapur. And he was newly married, and they were returning from some visit to the temple, and the jeep got met with an accident. And somewhere in that person who was newly married got very badly hit on his head, and he had injuries on his knees, thighs, and almost like they didn't know whether he would survive. And one of our family friends knew that I do healing, so he asked me, can you do for him? So I had asked him the details, and I started Reiki. And you will not believe that doctor had said that it is really rare chances that he would survive, but let's hope for the best. And supporting to those medicines and his various operations, and with the healing of Reiki, he survived, and he came down to Pune after he was all fine to travel, and he really thanked me. But that was not the, I felt that I could do something for a person who was like a newly married person, and his wife would have, I don't know what she would have undergone, but I was very happy that something good I could do it. Not that I did it, it was got done from me, but that is what we learn, that never take credit. I don't like to take credit, because that is not the my motto, that take credit. But the more you try to do healing, the more purifying form of energy is received by others. So Reiki is not only for physical healing, but gives you healing, mental healing. It works for your intentions. It works for animals, plants. I have given Reiki to animals and plants also, and they have given wonderful results for that also. So that was my Reiki journey also. And well, almost, this is all about myself. Now, what we did in Sanjeevan was really a very nice place. Like Panchgani, of course, being a hill station, everyone would like to visit. During the holidays, we had so many guests coming to our house that we had never got a chance to have our holidays. I used to envy, like, people, all the boarding students used to go for a holiday during during the summer vacation or Diwali vacation. And then for initially 2-3 days, I used to feel bad. Everyone is gone home. Why, when would we get a chance to go somewhere? But that was for just for 2-3 days. Later on, when we used to have guests and we used to go all around places in the school premises, we used to go to Jankita teacher's house, play with their Archana, Amala. They were small, little younger to us, but used to enjoy time. Where we had Deshpande sir's daughters, Gisde sir's daughters. We all used to have fun playing cards and playing all that Lagori and cricket and everything. We enjoyed staying there. But then slowly, when the holidays used to come to an end, we would look forward that, oh, when would these people come? Now that used to be a very nice, again, meeting our friends, and everything was really wonderful. And especially I liked the part of the was that hobbies, mainly the batik art, which I learned. I was really thankful to Jankita, because after leaving the school, I really brought the material. I used to order the material from Shantiniketan. I worked with that batik work, and I used, you will not believe, I had sold so many of wall hangings doing that batik work, doing the batik on the leathers, purses. That was really in this. There's all these things. I don't think other schools had the batik art and all that stuff, teaching them in the school. Our school was really giving us the best of everything, which I still believe they give. And hats off to the teachers who had all working so hard. I remember Amit Ray was the art teacher during that time, and Vishwambar sir was there. Amit Ray was also one very fine art teacher, and that is how I started liking painting. I still do a little bit of painting, not very good to it, but I love doing painting. And the reading was my one greatest habit, which of course I said when I used to go and help Jankitai in the library. Why I used to go, that I had that craving for that I would get some books to read. And then she would, after helping her for some 2 hours, then we would return back with her and she would give me 2 books. Okay, you choose your choice, your books, and take it. And within next 3-4 days, return them and again get. That habit is still there. We all are, my daughter, my husband, we all love reading. I have lot of collection of books with me, and that reading habit also was developed in the school itself. These are many things that we have got from our school. What I don't know what to say, but really very, very thankful to not only to my parents, but all the teachers in the school who are giving us such beautiful learnings of such different things, which we had never known about initially, but we were introduced to so many new things by them. And of course, now we are, our school has come to a place like, what to say, he's reached its highest peak and completing 100 years. 100 years is not really, it's a very big milestone to be achieved, and we are going to be a part of that milestone, which makes me more happier. We all are going to be a part of this milestone, and I would really like each and everyone who are here, and I would like and request all these people who are here to extend this message of coming together and giving something back to our alma mater. It's a part of our love and respect that we should be giving back to the school, our alma mater, because what we are today, not only the values that were parted to us by our parents, but whatever we are today, where we stand, a part of it goes to the credit goes to the alma mater also. So something to give back to the school, I would request all those who are here and all those who you can get in touch with, request them to get in touch, get together and give a great thought of yours, share your thoughts and come together and give be a part of the centennial year to become a part of this, donate some amount. Not donation is not the word actually. Be a part by giving something which you can be by handling some project. We are forming the groups now. Some groups are being formed, batch-wise groups are being formed. For that matter, Umesh, Deepak Fadnis, Deepak Saraf, and Ashok Javeri, all these people are coming together. They are trying to collect people together. They are trying to form the groups. And by forming these batches, we are trying to request and asking them to become a part of one of the projects that can help the school to bear those expenses, where we would like to beautify the school, not only beautify, but also give the next generation some nice things coming up and good educational activities can be extended there still further. So all this matters a lot to us, and that is why I feel that we should be coming together more and more, meeting in batches. We can meet in Pune, we can meet in Bombay, we can meet. Ramakant is also there, Pramod is there, who have already come here on the common room sessions, who can also be a part of this. We already are actually, Ramakant and myself are doing some batch-wise activity for our 1975 batch. Actually, we are trying to include the 1975 old batch as well as the 1975 new batch, so that we can come together and do some good big project for the school. And that is how my appeal is to everyone, that please do come together and let us be a part of the centennial year, so that we can help our school in some way or the other. That is what my views are. Deepak, I don't know if I'm too fast or what, but that is what I have finished with. But sorry, I don't have any photographs or pictures or videos to show because most of them are in my.
I have your pictures. I'm going to show them when you want me to show the pictures. I will show the pictures and you can talk about those people. You've been telling us very nice. In fact, some of us will have questions and answers.
Definitely.
So let us have a question and answer session. In the meantime, I will also come out with these pictures. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Deepak.
Good, well done.
Thank you, Shukla sir.
Thank you. Nice to hear from you.
एकदम बढ़िया. पूना में आप मिलिए ना, पूना में.
हाँ जी, मिलेंगे, जरूर मिलेंगे पूना में.
I'm in Baner.
You're in Baner. You can send me your address. We will plan to visit sometime.
Sure, I'll be delighted. We have been meeting in Pasgani only.
Yes, sir. Sushil Somat sir, I remember you only by name. I mean, I remember your school face. You look very different now. But I know I was quite small, young at that time, but I still remember your name and your face was a little different, but I remember you very well.
You remember my name better. I am Ladu.
Yes. Yes.
Because everybody knows me by Ladu.
And
Rajesh,
Limbaji.
it's very nice to see you also here. Ashok, Rajesh.
And another name, his name is Limbaji also. Ladu and Limbaji in the drama.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I don't remember the dramas and all because I was too small, but I remember his name because he was known as a scholar person also at that time in the school. That's what I've heard from my father.
Yes.
I was nice to see you here too. Hi, Alka.
Hi.
Show your art, na? That mandala, is it? Or
yeah,
beautiful stuff that you do.
Mandala art also, yes.
It's so pretty.
That actually helps me in kind of a meditation also.
Meditative.
Yeah.
Right. You have any handy right now to show? It is very pretty.
Yeah, I do have.
And the art, I mean, the love of art got started in Sanjeevan, so there is a connection. It's not just showing.
I will send it to Deepak on his WhatsApp number so he can just show it.
You send it to me, I'll show it to everybody.
Yeah, definitely. I'll show it to
Yes.
you. I'll
Yes.
send it. Give me 2 minutes.
Yes, yes, sure. And now I'm coming out with the pictures which she has given
Yeah.
to me earlier. Let me share the screen with that. Share screen, Google Keep, mail. Can you see this?
Yes, that's the.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm showing you some very interesting photograph which Kalpana can explain. Let me come out with that just a moment. Yeah, what a nice pose. You see the momentum has been captured so well in this photo. Are you able to see the photo, everybody?
So only
No, Deepak,
Sanjeevan's
still that,
emblem is there.
Photo change नाही झाला.
Emblem नाही there, sir.
अजून मोठा करतो. आता
हा सर मॅक्झिमाइज करा जरा. सर एम्बलेमच दिसतोय अजून संजीवनचा.
संजीवनचा एम्ब्लेम दिसतोय.
no, then I'm sharing the wrong thing. Wait, something.
सर बॅक करा नाही तर.
Share.
बॅक करून कर.
हा बॅक करून करा. लास्ट स्क्रीनवर आहे वाटतं.
Meeting controls. Wait. What is happening? Wait a minute. Meeting controls. Stop sharing. Now I will come again, share screen. And this is what I'm going to share. Can you see this now?
सर फाईल मॅनेजर मध्ये आता. हा आता आला.
आला ना?
The extreme left one is me. Extreme left one is me. Next to me is Usha Thopte, was a day scholar. Next is Meena Trivedi, and then is Ishani.
Okay.
Oh.
तर स्क्रीन मॅक्झिमाइज करा अजून. दिसतंय फोटो पण तसा.
Clear this.
नाही झूम नको सर. झूम नको. मॅक्झिमाइज करा.
ही झालं याच्यापेक्षा वॅक्सिन
that is me. Next to me is Usha Thopte. Then it is Meena Trivedi.
ती कुठे आहे आता? उषा थोपटे कुठे आहे?
ही उषा थोपटे. येलो साडी is उषा थोपटे. Next to Usha is Meena.
हा, ते सध्या कुठे आहे ही उषा सध्या कुठे आहे?
उषा माहित नाही, आता पुण्यातच आहे बहुतेक.
Try to locate her.
मीना त्रिवेदी. And then next to Meena is Ishani Mehta.
म्हणजे मीना शहाच ना सध्याची?
हा, मीना शहा.
ओके, she'll be very happy to see this photo. आणि ही कुठे आहे सध्याची?
ही Ishani, I think she's in the US.
Ishani Mehta.
Ishani Mehta.
Boston area.
Boston. Yeah.
So are you in touch with her, Alka?
I met her once.
We are in touch with her.
Okay, good. So that's nice. Ask her if she can come as a guest.
We will ask her. If you know Deepak, she is a daughter of Tarak Mehta.
Okay.
Tarak Mehta.
Very nice.
Ulti topi. Tarak Mehta ulti topi.
Okay. Very nice. So she can be a good guest speaker one day. So
yes, definitely she can.
Now I will come to share the second photo. Let me see. Okay. Are you able to see this?
That's not a very good photo, but I still tell you, right side is Ishani. Extreme right is Ishani. Next to Ishani is myself. Behind me is Madhuri. Next to Madhuri is Rani Bhatte. Behind Rani Bhatte, it's Arundhati. Next to Arundhati was Neelam Pathare. The rest two, I really don't realize who they are because that picture quality is not so good. It's a very old photo.
Yeah. Right. Madhuri म्हणजे ही कुठली माधुरी?
Madhuri Devdar.
माधुरी देवधर. Okay. Okay, great. माधुरी काय येत नाही आपल्या झूम मीटिंग वर? माधुरीला काय जरा बोल तिच्याशी.
आली होती ना मागच्या? I think she was there. I'm not too sure.
हा, एकदा आली होती. Once.
एकदा she was there once.
I think I am sorry I did not inform her about this meeting. तिला करायला पाहिजे होतं मी. आय एम इन टच विथ हर.
Acha. Okay, so the
I'll inform her next time.
she will
I'll
see
inform
the
her.
she will see the video, but
She
let's
will see it. She's there on the other group. She will see it definitely.
I think
Yeah.
we should make it a habit to come on Sunday evening. आपण काय फार मोठं विधायक कार्य करत नसलो समाजात, तर आपल्या संजीवनच्या लोकांना भेटून गप्पा मारून टाइमपास करायचं, जोक सांगा, गाणी म्हणा, काही करा. It's not a very formal thing. Please do not understand this as a formal katta. It is our common room and everybody is here to enjoy. This one, can you see now? I'll enlarge this.
Just enlarge it. I will tell you who it is. One more photo is missing. थोड़ा लहान कर दीपक. थोड़ा left. हाँ. This अजून एक आहे. हाँ. अजून एक आहे. To the right. To the right. Next to.
No.
And the left is Hema Shroff.
Left. Take.
Okay,
left
start
is
from the left.
Abhilasha Patel. That is
No.
Abhilasha Patel.
He डावीकडची.
Okay.
He.
Abhilasha Patel. Then behind her was Neelam Pathare. Next to her is
Sujata.
Surekha Chavan.
Ah.
Then it's
Sujata
me.
Apte.
No, not Sujata Apte. It's Surekha Chavan. Then that
the
next to
one-
Surekha is myself. Next to me is Kalpana Chavan. And
He
next to
कोण?
Kalpana Chavan is Madhuri.
ही कोण आहे? ही
ती मी आहे.
ही तू आहे? अरे बापरे, ओळखून घे. आणि
ही कल्पना चव्हाण आहे.
One next to Abhilasha, Sujata Apte.
हाँ, maybe Sujata Apte behind her.
Less than a minute left
Yeah.
of this
And
session.
this one is
Behind, next to Kalpana is Kalpana Chavan is Madhuri, I suppose.
ही कोण आहे? ही
कल्पना चव्हाण. कल्पना वेनिसन होती बरं मागच्या वेळेस. She was there. Kalpana
हा.
Venison from Bangalore.
हा. अच्छा,
अच्छा,
हा.
उंच मुलगी ही.
ही अभिलाषा आहे. This is
ही.
Abhilasha and this is Kalpana Chavan.
ही.
हाँ, correct.
Okay, great. Okay. Kalpana.
This was like so many community songs I could remember. ओम असतोमा सद्गमय, नंतर आजादी की खुली हवा में, नंतर चल मर्दाने सीना ताने, देश हमारा धरती अपनी, सगळी गाणी आठवतात मला.
अरे वा,
नंतर ओरे गृहबासी, that was also there.
क्या बात है,
So
फैंटास्टिक.
many songs. आजादी की खुली हवा में and ओरे गृहबासी ते जरा जास्ती फेमस होते तेव्हा.
ओके.
Yeah.
So, any more questions? Please ask questions to Ananga. Being sir's
Yeah.
daughter, you were free from some problems, I suppose, or no? मुलांनी चिठ्ठ्या पाठवायपासून तू जरा मुक्त होतीस का? What I know in Sanjeevan, that boys. Hello, something.
Hello.
Wait.
आवाज
आवाज येतोय का? माझा
आवाज
आवाज
येत नाही.
येतोय?
येतोय.
हा.
हा येतोय सर.
संजीवन मधली एक पद्धत होती, साधारणतः जी हुशार मुलं होती बऱ्याच गोष्टींमध्ये, ती मुलींना चिठ्ठ्या लिहून पाठवायचे, कोणी गाणी लिहून
हा.
पाठवायचे. तर सरांची
हा.
मुलगी असल्यामुळे तुला तसं काही झालेलं नाही.
चान्स नव्हता ना.
Nobody
सर,
had the guts.
मी
Nobody had
कंप्लेंट
the
करू शकत होते किंवा सरांना सांगितलं तर सरांकडनं ओरडा बसला असता. त्यामुळे दॅट वॉज लिटल बिट नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर अस. अशा काही आल्या नाहीत चिठ्ठ्या बिट्ट्या.
Right. अजून तुझ्या आठवणी सांग, तोपर्यंत मी हे काम करतो. प्लीज कीप टेलिंग सम ऑफ युअर नाईस मेमरीज.
मला कल्पना, तुमचं
हा,
घर
आशा
म्हणजे
बोल.
सगळ्यात कोझी घर वाटायचं.
हो,
इतकं
कोझी घर.
छान हसतं खेळतं वातावरण होतं. सर होत्या, मॅडम होत्या, आम्ही कधी येऊ जाऊ शकत होतो.
येस.
एक इतकं
ऍक्च्युली
व्हेरी होमली कोझी.
व्हेरी होमली. स्पेशल मुलं काय करायची, खेळून आले दमलेली, काहींना भूक लागलेली असायची. तर आमच्या इथे खाली घराच्या इथून याला शॉर्टकट होता. तिथून
हा.
खाली होतं आमचा किचनचा डोर होता. तिथे मम्मीनी पोळ्या करून ठेवलेल्या असायच्या, चटणीचा डब्बा असायचा, लोणचा असायचा. हात धुवायचे तिथे सिंकच्या इथे आणि पोळीचा डब्बा उघडायचा, त्याच्यात चटणी घालायची, खायचा आणि जायचा, असा एक हे होता. एकदा असाच आम्ही किचन मध्येच होते आणि मानसिंग गायकवाड उतरून आला खाली आणि तो किचन मध्ये आला, त्याला पण त्या डब्यावरती साप बसलेला होता छोटा.
अरे बापरे.
मग त्याच्या हातात हॉकी स्टिक होती. मग तो डब्बा त्यांनी हळूच उचलला, हॉकी स्टिकने तो साप, किचनचं दार जवळच होतं त्यामुळे तो बाहेर उडवला. मग तो डब्बा उघडून हात धुवून डब्बा उघडून पोळी खाऊन गेले ते. असं ते व्हायचं, बऱ्याच वेळा असायचं. त्यामुळे पोळ्या आमच्याकडे कायम जास्त केलेल्या असायच्या डब्यात. मुलांना खेळून आले की तुम्हाला बिस्किट्स मिळायचे, पण ते पार्लेजीचे बिस्किट्सनी भूक नाही हे व्हायची ना. सो लाईक दे यूज्ड टू कम अँड हॅव चपाती भाजी काय असेल ते, जे असेल ते खाऊन जायचे. सो दॅट वॉज वन थिंग. दे यूज्ड टू लाईक पळत पळत यायचा तिथनं शॉर्टकटने. भूक ज्याला लागलेली असेल तो त्या शॉर्टकटने खाली यायचा, गो टू द किचन, ओपन द डब्बा, चटणी चपाती काय असेल ते खाऊन मग जायचं. दॅट वॉज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स लाईक आय स्टील रिमेंबर.
Kalpana,
Yeah.
what has happened about your association?
Pardon?
Your association.
एलुमनी एसोसिएशन का पूछ रहे हैं आप?
हाँ.
हाँ, वो पहला तो अभी हमने कुछ हुआ नहीं है उसका. वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ न्यू वन, बट दैट विल बी ओनली आफ्टर द सेंटेनियल ईयर का. ये करंटली वी आर डूइंग इन बैचेस ओनली. Batch wise, whatever we have, we will contribute and we'll give it together. And after that, Umesh, myself, Deepak Saraf, Shirish, SK, we all will come together and we will be trying to work on it again.
So you do require a good association. Every good residential public school, including our senior schools, we have a very strong association. Like now I'm going to my Sainik School in Andhra Pradesh for their Diamond Jubilee. The association has already collected about 10 lakhs of rupees. So association, a strong association.
Definitely it is, sir. And we will be again starting it with full force now. And
I mean, the association has to have
many more people we are getting connected to with the school. So our efforts will be done for this new association to be come into action.
No, that new association also has to have its own kind of a memorandum of understanding or things like that.
We do have all those earlier ones. We do have all the memorandum of association. Everything is there. Only thing is, what happened, we could not put in as much efforts and we did not get much response to whatever efforts we put in. But yes, that's fine. We are restarting it again, but that will be only after the centennial year is gone through, so that we get more and more people connected during this period. We
And
have the contacts of many more.
Association also helps individual members of the association.
Yes,
like,
definitely. That will be one of the agendas.
Yeah, you know, like recently, one of the student died of COVID, and for his daughter's education, they collected about 22 lakhs in America and in India to educate his two daughters. So like that, the strong association.
We will definitely have these kind of points considered when we put up again this startup on this again.
Suhas, I want to add my thoughts in this, that for the association to succeed, there should be a lot of enthusiasm among the students. The students are not showing the enthusiasm. You can see the Sanjeevan Centennial Challenge, something just to help the school and to publicize and to let the society know that Sanjeevan is celebrating its centenary. So you participate. If supposing a record number of people will participate, 1,000, 1,500 people, supposing they register, lot of news will be generated. It has such a big news value, but nobody is registering. What do you do for that?
Should I say something?
Yes,
you know,
sir.
it had happened in my Sainik School also. When I joined the Sainik School, the association had become defunct. So me and the principal who started the school, you people may be knowing him, Commander Almeida. He used to come to Sanjeevan Vidyalaya.
Yes.
So Almeida and me, we did a lot of touring and we got a lot of, you can't sit in Parsgani and expect ex-students to join you.
It cannot be done.
Somebody from the school, somebody known face, they had to go around and sort of get the people around. And we did revive it. You know, incidentally, you wouldn't believe that they have two social projects. One is in Hyderabad, where they are looking after the street children, educating them. One is in Vijayanagaram itself, where they are helping out the destitute women. If you people would like, I can share all these things with you.
Definitely we'll need your guidance for that, sir. But initially, I think what we need to do is we need to push many of them. I've been doing that.
You have to. And similarly, I was in Bhosla Military School as commandant. That association is also fairly strong. They're doing a lot of good social work. I can share these experiences with you all.
Definitely, we will take your guidance.
One point I would like to mention here. Shukla sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Usually the outgoing students, they are made the member of this association, alumni association, automatically.
Right.
So that should be done so that you can press it on them later on. It keeps on tracking the people.
You know, and also the school should introduce, you know, like in Sindhya school, Shashita knows that, she's from Sindhya school. They have what is called a Madhav Award. In Bhosla Military School, I started a Bhosla Gaurav Award. An ex-student who has done something good for the nation, something good for the society, is awarded an award. I mean, given an award, whatever name you wish to call it. So, and the student in turn institute a best teacher award in the school. So there has to be very, very close interaction between students, ex-students and the school. A lot of these ideas I can share with you, no problem.
Definitely, we'll meet up, sir.
Yes, outstanding alumni award. That is something VJTI
Very
has it, IIT Delhi has it. So our school can also give outstanding alumni awards. And 100 years, there should have been 100 outstanding alumni. So that's possible. But now I will come back to the sharing. There are interesting pictures coming. So let us go ahead and share. Let me check.
Yes.
Share screen. Here is one design. Yes, please tell about this, Anagha.
This is called mandala art, and you see there are very tiny things to be considered here. There are minute artworks that need to be colored and give. It really helps you in concentration, and it's kind of a meditation. So I love doing this. I have almost completed around 45 to 50 paintings like this.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Very nice.
I will
And
share
how
it
long
shortly.
Take Kalpana?
Some of them take 2 days, but some are very intricate, so that takes a little longer for me to do it, and depends on how my work schedule is. So sometimes it's a week or so.
Looks like a printed.
Yeah, looks like a print. Yes, it's a print actually, but coloring is the art of it. So I love doing coloring. So I do the coloring part of it. The design is ready-made. I haven't done it.
Ready. Okay.
Yeah, it's a ready design.
But still, it's very difficult.
I was about to ask about where do you get the design?
Yeah, you get it. You get these books on Amazon for your information.
Okay.
I see.
Oh, I see. Acha, they are available.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. I've completed 2 sets of books. Now I will be doing it. Do the third one. I'll be doing it shortly.
Mandala art. Very
Do
nice.
they suggest the color combinations, or that's up to you?
That's up to me. There's no color combination. Those is my creation. That is what is my creation. Color combinations.
Each one is very unique because you've posted some in our group.
Yeah.
I haven't posted one in a long time, but
Yeah, I actually did. I have completed, but I haven't posted
Yeah.
it in a long time.
Yeah.
I will do it, Alka.
yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. If
And
you
how
have
do
any
you-
more things to share, you just send it to me. Anybody
Yeah,
wants,
definitely I will.
anybody wants to share anything, please send it to me by WhatsApp and I will put it on the screen.
Definitely
Or I
will
can
do
give
that.
you a
Deepak.
sharing access. If anybody wants
Yeah.
sharing access, I can give you sharing access. तुझ्याकडे आहे का काही? सुशील
कोणाकडे
तुझ्याकडे
विचार
काही?
मला विचार. माझ्याकडे आता
काही आहे का
भरपूर
share
pictures
करायला?
आहेत. अलकाकडे काय असेल तर विचार शेअर.
Alka, if you want to share anything,
Kal-
you can do that. But now we come back. We come back.
Yes, Asha.
मी बोलू का?
बोला बोला.
दीपक मी बोलू का?
बोल बोल.
बोला.
माझ्याकडे 2 व्यक्ती आहेत जे 2 ड्रायव्हर ऑक्युपाईड होऊ शकतात.
Yes.
One is Brigadier Mahajan,
Yes.
Hemant Mahajan.
Yes. Yes.
He is a very senior to us. He passed
yeah.
out in 66 or 67.
He was my classmate. I already told him we will be having him as a chief guest on one of the Sundays. Sure.
And I'm going
Deepak,
to
I
talk
think you
to
can invite Asha also once.
Asha also.
Asha has
And
got
I'm going
good.
and I'm going to request Assamni sir also.
दुसरा कोण?
I'm also going to request Assamni sir.
दुसरं कुठलं नाव सांगतोय?
हसमनी सर, येस.
Assamni sir.
हसमनी सरांनाच बोलूया आपण. तू बोलतोस का सरांशी? सरांची परवानगी
हो
घे.
मी बोलतो सरांशी.
चालेल.
And I'll let you know.
चालेल. त्यांना मार्चचा पहिला स्लॉट. So I will tell you the date. March 1st.
सरांचा लॉट तसं घेऊ नका तुम्ही. सरांना विचारून जेव्हा ते म्हणतील त्या रविवारी आपण घेऊया.
हा ठीक आहे. नाही 13 फेब्रुवारी पण रिकामा आहे. 13, 20, 27 एनिथिंग. 13, 20, 27 फेब्रुवारी.
Yes, Shukla sir.
There were 2 brothers, Patwardhan brothers, son of Air India pilot Captain Subhash Patwardhan.
Okay.
One of them was in Navy. They're doing very well. And Abhijat's contemporary asaila because Subhash Patwardhan and Wing Commander Thakur, they were close friends. That's why these 2 Patwardhan brothers joined Sanjeevan Vidyalaya. I don't know any one of you were their colleagues or not. You could invite one of them. They're doing very well.
Okay, so Suhas, I'll tell you one gold mine where you can search for people. Are you a member of Only Sanjeevanites, the Facebook group Only Sanjeevanites?
Yeah, I see it on Facebook.
If you search on that, you can put a search.
I can get you their contacts because Tancha to Kaka, he's a coursemate of mine from Air Force, Sudhir Patwan. He was also in Air India.
Okay,
so I can get them.
Send me their contacts. I'll talk to them.
Yeah.
आता ते काय करतात? काही कल्पना आहे का?
I'll have to check with them. But the father Subhash has moved to Pune. He is in this Athashrin Baudhan.
Okay.
I can get the contacts. There's no problem.
Yes, do contact them. Asha, you have something to say?
No, I was just हर्डीकर सर आहेत त्यांचे कंटेम्पररीज आणि कोणी आहेत का त्यांच्या
हो हर्डीकर सर आता
म्हणजे अँड अजून एक अगदी सुरुवातीचे त्यांचा फोटो होता. इज व्हेरी ओल्ड, क्लोज टू 90. त्यांचा पण एक आपण इंटरव्ह्यू घेऊन मे बी यू कॅन करू शकतो.
भेटले होते. कोणाला भेटले होते ते?
कोणाला भेटले होते? फोटोग्राफ आला होता.
अशोक जवेरी साहब आपको मिले थे 90 year old Sanjeevanite.
Yeah, but I met him online only.
I know. Now, can you get him online once again?
Through WhatsApp only. We can only contact him through WhatsApp.
Can you get him online? If that is possible, then we can schedule him on one Sunday or sometime.
Record
5 minutes. एक काम करो अशोक.
अजून कंटेम्पररीज
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ?
एव्हरी 10 years.
सॉरी. हाँ काय म्हणते?
नाही मी म्हणते म्हणजे एव्हरी 10 years we could look for people who are there. So they
yes.
Right from 1900 to 1910. कोणी we at least make a note of the older ones who are there. एक लिंकेज राहील मग.
नाही 1921 पासून सुरू होईल.
1921 पासूनच जे आहे 10 वर्षाचं असं कोणी आपण लक्षात घेता येईल का?
येस सापडायला पाहिजेत. आय नो.
जे कोण लक्षात येतील ते.
राईट. Who is Balakrishna? And I want to say hi to सदाशिव कुठे गेला? सदाशिव आता होता.
सदाशिव अनम्यूट.
सदाशिव व्हिडिओ
आहे.
आणि बालकृष्ण, who is बालकृष्ण? व्हिडिओ
बालकृष्ण लड्डा.
Let us say hi. Sadashiv, hi. Very nice. Very nice. I like your enthusiasm. Sadashiv is always there to help. Very nice of you.
Sadashiv is a very active person.
Very active man. Sadashiv, have you registered for the Centennial Challenge, Sanjeevan Centennial Challenge?
No, I have not.
तू कर ते रजिस्ट्रेशन कर आणि सगळ्यांना तू फोन कर. आता तुझ्याकडे मी लिस्ट पाठवतो सगळ्या संजीवनाइट्सची. एकेकांना फोन करून तू सगळ्यांना विनंती कर की अरे बाबांनो असं करू नका, ही आपली शाळा आहे, आपल्या शाळेचा गौरव आपण करायचा. थोडे खिशात पैसे गेले तर काही हरकत नाही. हॉटेलमध्ये गेलो तर 2 आणि 3 हजार रुपये बिल होतात. हल्ली डोक्याला हात मारून घ्यायची वेळ येते. शाळेसाठी 911 रुपये खर्च झाले तर हरकत नाही. जरा लोकांच्या मागे लागायला लागेल आपल्याला.
चालेल.
2-3 हजार मध्ये कुठल्या हॉटेलमध्ये जाता तुम्ही? 2-3 हजार मध्ये कुठल्या हॉटेलला जाता?
नाही, आम्ही दारू पित नाही म्हणून आमचे 2-3 हजार मध्ये होऊन जातं. I know. If you order a peg, then it is not 2-3 हजार. It is much higher than that. You're right.
Yeah, right.
You're right. So 911 is nothing. It is like 91 rupees of the 80s. Even 60s मधले ते 9 रुपये आहेत फक्त. आम्ही शाळेत असतानाची 60s मधले it is probably 9 rupees. क्या बात है. I want to say
actually
hi.
The spirit behind 9/11 is important.
Yes. This is really 9/11 of Sanjeevan. Good 9/11.
Yes.
Good 9/11. So Balakrishna, we would like to talk to you. Say hi to you. Can you?
Yeah. Good evening to you. Good evening to all of you all, and good morning, Alka.
Hi.
Hi. And really liked Kalpana speaking about what, and we had a great experience with Chaubal sir. And it was such a nice feeling to hear you out. And
thank you so much. Thank you so
very
much.
nice. And we miss all those days, you know.
School days are the best days.
School days, yeah. In fact, I met you once in one of the alumni meetings.
School functions we met, yes.
And it was really very nice to hear about your Reiki thing, you know, the act, what you're doing about Reiki healing. It's really wonderful. And it's something very nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. And Alka, I heard you. I was in the hospital when I heard you 2 weeks back, you know. My father-in-law was undergoing IV procedure that time. And you know, I heard about you were doing nursing cardiology and all that. I just I could hear you for a few minutes. I was, you know, I was at that particular point.
Yeah, very rewarding career, that's for sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Balakrishna, we would like to know about you. What is your profession? Kadi pass zale Sanjeevan madhun from?
I passed out with. In fact, I saw Rajesh here. Rajesh and we were back classmates, and we were the same batch. And I passed out. SSC was 1977. I did my 12th and passed out of Sanjeevan in 1979.
Okay.
Then I did my engineering, and then I got into consulting. I was with Tata Consulting Engineers.
Okay.
Then I was with Larsen and Toubro.
I see.
And almost now retiring with G. Just
Balakrishna, weren't you called as Harihar?
Yeah. It was like, you know, there was, you know, our surname got messed up in Sanjeevan, you know. So actually, our name was actually Balakrishna Hariharan Iyer. So, but we were all called Harihars. So we were one of the 4 Harihars. Yeah.
Because when I saw you right now, I could realize.
Meena,
right?
Meena, Usha, and Mohan. Correct.
Mohan.
Yeah. The 4 of us. That
4 of us, you were there. Yeah.
Yes.
You still live in Santa Cruz?
Yeah, Santa Cruz. Yes. Santa Cruz, Mumbai. Correct. Yeah.
Really
and
nice.
Alka, your brother was Rajesh, na?
Yes.
Rajesh.
Yeah. He's in the Boston area.
Boston. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. He was just there for 1 year.
Yeah, you all were there just about. Yeah.
I was there 2 years. He was there 1 year because he was in Billy Moria. He was in Billy Moria first year.
Okay.
And then transferred to our school. Yeah. Yeah.
Balkrishna, look at this, if you can.
Oh my God.
What is that?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Aha,
Yeah,
please.
right.
Diary.
Oh, Rajesh, that's
Once
great.
again, please. Once again. Once again, Rajesh. Once again.
Memories.
Bal Krishna Harihar.
Oh, thank you so much.
Your own
Rajesh
handwriting.
has
Huh?
preserved some nice notes,
Wow.
many of it. I think so,
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Yeah, even I have Chobal sir, no?
Yeah,
Yes.
I know that.
So nice.
Rajesh, very nice to see that. And Rajesh, any news about Suhas? The
No,
Narayan?
I'm trying to. I heard last he had gone to California. That's it.
But that
After
was
that,
many-
I've never come in contact with him.
Hey guys, talk to all these friends. सबको ढूंढो अभी आकाश में पाताल में जिधर भी है सबको ढूंढो.
जिधर से
सबको
ढूंढ
ढूंढो.
निकालो.
Sanjeevan Centennial Challenge. You have to register. No questions. From abroad, only one registration has come for Sanjeevan Centennial Challenge. We want to
Okay.
take this as a news wave. It should generate waves of news. That is the idea of having this kind of a challenge. It is the first official event of our school. Please be after everybody, register yourself and tell everybody to register. And bring them on this katta, bring them in the common room. उनको बोलो तो थोड़ी यादें पुराने दिनों की अच्छी रहती है तबीयत रखने के लिए. Right?
Yeah, here you are.
Yeah,
Oh, sir, autograph.
that's my father's autograph.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Nice.
Wow.
Bye bye, sir.
Very nice. Very nice.
चोबळ सरांचं अक्षर होतं का ते?
हो, त्याच्याकडे त्यांनी एकदा पाठवलं होतं ते.
Great.
दाखव show once.
Balakrishna, something I want to ask
Yeah.
you. So are you now
Yeah.
working still or you are already retired from Larsen & Toubro?
Almost I've done. Yeah.
With L&T, where are you located?
No, I was with L&T and then I joined Alstom and I was finally with GE, General Electric.
Okay. And no, located where in India? Where are
Located
you?
in Mumbai.
You are in Mumbai.
Based out in Mumbai.
Which
Yeah,
suburb?
yes.
Which suburb?
I didn't get you. Pardon me?
No,
Santa Cruz है sir.
Yeah.
Santa Cruz.
I stay at Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz. Okay. I'm in Andheri East. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. So please send me, you can write your phone number on this. I'll note it down. You put it on the chat. You can put your phone number on the chat and we will keep it.
Fine.
Okay, you
I'll do
spoke
that.
to Madhuri about joining for the common room?
I did speak to her. She's thinking about it. She's not sure. She's basically being stored on YouTube is making her uncomfortable. So she's thinking about it.
Okay.
She didn't want it to be like on YouTube somewhere accessible to everybody and all that.
Okay.
Yeah. So she hasn't completely said no. She's thinking about it.
Today, Vasanta has been very quiet and Ashok has been very quiet. Ashok, would you like to speak something? Mask निकाल दो अभी घर में mask निकाल सकते हैं.
Yeah. Why are you wearing a mask?
Mask निकाल के बातें करो हमसे कुछ नया सुनाओ कुछ तो शेर सुनाओ.
Not at home or what? Ashok, you're not at home?
I'm at home. I'll just unmute myself.
Yeah.
No. Okay.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Video is gone.
Now the video is gone.
Video is not there.
Yeah, I lost my video. 1 second, huh?
Yeah.
So there's so many new people in the group who can talk. We are always there, Deepak.
Yes. Vasanta, you want to say something? Vasanta.
Vasant is.
Actually,
Vasant, where have you vanished?
नाही I'm not vanished. मी बघतोय.
अरे पण आम्हाला दिसत नाहीयेस ना तू.
नाही I was busy in the kitchen. That is why I shut down the video.
गुड स्वयंपाक कोण करतोय?
संडे स्पेशल का?
नाही जेवणात रात्रीचं करतो मी ऍक्च्युअली आई बाबांच्यासाठीच आलोय इकडे.
अच्छा पुण्यात आहेस?
ब्रेकफास्ट अँड डिनर जर कुक बाय मी.
ओके.
मला बाहेरून कोणी केलेलं आवडत नाही. आहे तिथे कुकिंग करायला म्हणतो पण I don't like the outside hands doing it.
I'll show you one more autograph.
Who's that?
That's not mine.
I have.
वो मेरा नहीं.
Then it's Hassan sir.
Hassan sir, yes.
Oh, right, Rajesh.
Sir, arey wow.
Wow.
Right, right.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. You really
सर्विस सर आम्हाला मराठी शिकवायचे.
अरे दोघांनी त्यांनी आणि अशोकनी खूप ऑटोग्राफ जमून ठेवलेत. Ashok Javeri has also got a big book.
I've also got a lot of photographs. I'll have to take it out again because I recently shifted.
Next meeting you can show it to us.
What is your profession, Rajesh?
Next meeting you show it to us, Ashok.
Rajesh, I have a question for you. What is your
Yes.
profession?
No, I'm doing nothing.
Retired.
Retired. Okay.
Yeah, my health is a problem, so I'm not doing anything.
I see. But where are you staying?
In Bahrain.
Bahrain.
You're staying in Borivali?
Bahrain, near Saudi.
Bahrain.
Okay.
Bahrain.
Okay.
Bahrain.
Okay.
Deepak,
Yes.
we were the official NRIs of Sanjeevan.
Yes. Okay.
Official NRIs. We used to come from Bahrain first class and
I
then
see.
come to Sanjeevan Standard. And I used to record with Chobul and I express and everything. Another picture I have with a few records.
Can't hear you.
Okay.
I had a record player in school and it was kept at Chobul sir. And everything we take it out, play it, and put it back. Man, Awara, Didar. One of the few persons with technology at that time. When Apollo happened, we saw the Apollo video, but I also had my own reel of the Apollo moon landing.
Okay.
You know? So one of the few people with a tape recorder, record player, and a few modern gadgets of that time, you know.
I see. Fantastic. So nice. Digambar has not spoken a word today. Digambar Gatpeli, I think
yeah, sir.
switch on your camera. Can you come on the video and
Sir,
say-
camera some issue is there. I was trying to fix it out, but my daughter was doing some homework on that. That's why I just wanted to check the settings for that.
All right.
Actually, hello everyone. कल्पना मॅम जसं तुम्ही सांगितलं होतं ना बॅचमेट्सचे नंबर पाहिजे होते तर काही लोकांचे नंबर आहेत पण ते काही चेंज पण झालेत आणि जसं तुमच्या बॅच मध्ये एन्थुझियाझम आहे सगळे एकत्र येतात शेअर करतात आमच्या बॅच मध्ये 2-3 लोकांना मी कॉन्टॅक्ट केला असं पण ते काही रिस्पॉन्स मिळत नाही सर
नाही
कल्पना तू म्युटेड आहेस.
तुला अनम्यूट कर अनम्यूट.
You can send it to me, Digambar. We will try to get in touch by some source.
Right.
Yeah?
चालेल नक्की मॅडम.
Yes.
Okay, good. So is there anything else anybody would like to say? Otherwise we can call off the meeting.
Bye everyone.
Bye. Bye everyone. Thank you for coming and keep
Thank you, Deepak.
Thank you,
everyone.
Deepak sir.
Please keep coming.
Kalpana ma'am, thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Nice talk.
Thank you, Kalpana.
Thank you, Asha. Thanks, Rajesh, for being there.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Bye, Ashok.
Nice experience.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 See you next Sunday.
Deepak.
Bye.
आशा मॅडमला काय सांगायचं
Yes.
Deepak, काय म्हणतात, we have to pay this 900 and odd amount.
11.
How will we know where it is to be paid? And I didn't get the link. I don't know from where to link that.
No, I will
On only Sanjeevan.
I have made payment for 2 of my friends. I can make the payment for you if you send me the money by Google Pay or something. I will do the registration. Because registration.
But whoever else wants to do the payments, how will other people know more people know about it?
Yes. I think we will have that guidance session, and you send me your address, your email address, your address for delivery of the T-shirt, because they are going to send you a T-shirt by the courier service. Send that and send your phone number and email address to me, and I will complete your registration. Your date of birth also you have to send to me. I will finish.
So size of the T-shirt.
And which option
Size of the t-shirt.
you want? Walk, run,
Yeah.
swim, or cycle? Which option you would like to take? You have to select the option: walk, run, cycle, or swim.
Oh.
Number minute. 100 minutes you have to do that activity and then upload your data in the app. There will be an app which you have to put in your mobile and upload the data in the app. So you send me what choice you want among these 4 options of walk, run, swim, or cycle. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
23rd Jan last date, hai na, sir?
Huh?
23rd
Yeah,
Jan last date, hai na?
last date is 25th of Jan, so we need to rush.
25th Jan. Okay.
Yes. And you should circulate that information to your friends also. It is not only for Sanjeevanites. Even somebody who is not from Sanjeevan, if he wants to make the fitness challenge, he is free to do that. So share it on your Facebook, in your WhatsApp groups. अभी 100 में से एक आदमी register करेगा तो भी ठीक है. It is better to, the idea is to spread the news that my school, see, by
Awareness.
sharing it, what is happening? You are telling 100,
Yeah, I got it.
has completed 100 years. That is the objective. Okay, friends.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you. Bala.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Good night.
Deepak.
Good night.
You have taken
Thank you,
Rajesh,
Ashana.
bye. Rajesh,
Bye.
nice meeting you today.
Ashok, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.